Are you looking for to block unknown numbers on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna guide you the step-by-step process on how you can easily block unknown callers. First thing first, move into phone. Head over to the unknown number that you want to block. Let's say you want to block this number. At the bottom you can see block caller. Click on it and then tap on block contact. Well, this person has been blocked successfully. Now if you want to unblock anytime, you can click on unblock caller and then unblock it. Once done, now next thing you want to do is move into settings. Scroll all the way down and move into apps. Search for the application phone and then click on it. In this page, scroll down and move into silence unknown callers. In this page, you have to make sure to turn on this option. Now the calls from unknown numbers will be silenced and sent to voicemail and displayed on the recent list. This way you will not get bothered by unknown callers. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.